This is grilled cucumber Portuguese style, serving 2 with a total prep time of 20 minutes. A viral TikTok twist, charred cucumber slices with a creamy yogurt herb sauce. 1 cucumber, washed and with the ends trimmed. This is our main ingredient. 120 grams of plain full-fat yogurt. This makes the creamy sauce base. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil for the sauce. 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and minced for bright flavor. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to add brightness. 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of fresh mint, chopped for a cool herb note. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika to finish with Portuguese smoky flavor. ½ teaspoon of sea salt and a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper for seasoning. 1 tablespoon of olive oil for brushing the cucumber before grilling. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Slice the cucumber into ½ inch thick rounds using a sharp knife for even pieces. Pat the cucumber slices dry with a clean kitchen towel to remove excess moisture so they char better. Brush both sides of the cucumber slices with 1 tablespoon of olive oil for a light coating. Preheat a grill pan over medium-high heat until hot, about 2 minutes. Place cucumber slices on the hot grill pan in a single layer and cook 3 minutes per side until char marks appear. While grilling, mix the sauce. Combine 120 grams of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of chopped mint in a bowl and stir until smooth. Season the sauce with ½ teaspoon of sea salt and a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper, then taste and adjust to your preference. When the cucumber slices are done, transfer them to a serving plate and arrange in a fan pattern. Spoon 2/3 of the yogurt sauce over the center of the cucumbers and reserve 1/3 to serve at the table. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika over the sauced cucumbers for color and a smoky aroma. Finish with a drizzle of the remaining extra virgin olive oil and a light grind of black pepper. Garnish with a little extra chopped parsley and serve immediately. Now the recipe is complete. Enjoy and share. That is grilled cucumber Portuguese style. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, subscribe for more, and tap the bell to get new recipes. Serve 2 and total prep time is 20 minutes.